don't have any battery left in my controller here, I guess. It's vibrating. So, we might have a limited run here, or this thing might get away from me, man. I'm not sure how long it lasts whenever it starts vibrating and beeping. Look at these belted Badlands. This is a 6S. Whoa, whoa! This is a 6S Kraton running an 8S system, Firma system. You know, the 8S that's inside the damn Kraton 8S, okay? It's got some belted Badlands, Proline Badlands on here. See if we can go get a couple jumps in before this thing dies on us. Sure how long you got. Hopefully don't just, I got a fence there. Take off. Hear the sand in the bearings there. Look at that stuff. Shit! M2C build. Not M2C, my bad. JBI, bro. Just bash it. Chassis, just bash it. Shock towers. Custom RC upgrades on the old hinge pin blocks and all the good strong pieces, you know. RPM bumpers, RPM A-arms. These are Pro-Line belted Badlands. You see them ballooning? I don't think so. You see, you got a lot of control in the air with these belted Badlands, and they're tough, and you can floor it, dude, and they never balloon, and they stay on the ground. You watch how you floor some trenchers, or that was a great jump. You floor some of those D boots, the ones that come stock, dude, you're getting out of control in the air. Because it ain't even, I mean, it's just it's out of control, it's flopping. These are some stiff wheels, or stiff tires. Whoa, they take a beating. You see those big ass rocks they're taking? Just blew a big one right on my leg. I'm gonna jump over here into this driveway here in a minute. Just telling you. They're good tires here. Whoa, whoa. I've tried them all, man. I've tried those damn ones that look real nice. Those hatchets. Oh yeah, I like the way those look. Uh-oh. Got a little crooked here. We must have a rock. Something stuck in here, bro. Check it out. Let's see. Off and see what the deal is, man. Let's take this off. God damn. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Controller went off. I don't know, maybe that was having something to do with it. We got a bunch of good jumps in though, man. Let me go get some batteries for that controller and come back, man. This is a perfect freaking hill to jump. Perfect day. Let's go recharge. Be right back. Look at this sucker right here, man. Running that SMC battery. Big ass sucker. My Fly Sky done ran out of fucking batteries, but it's cool. Now my camera's running out of batteries, but look at this build right here. JBI chassis. you know. Shit, just bash it. I put some duct tape on it so it got dirty one time. I need to get all this duct tape off of here. But shit, this thing is a beast. Alright, let's go get some batteries charged up. Go jump some more later.